In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello with Slack. These two tools can greatly enhance your productivity when used together by integrating task management with team communication. First, we'll start by heading over to the Trello website. You can do this by typing trello.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're on the website, go ahead and click on the Login button. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the screen. It's the first step in accessing your account and getting everything set up. Next, you'll be presented with a few different options to log in. Here we're going to use the Google login method, which is popular because it's quick and convenient. Click on the Google option and you will be redirected to a page that asks for your Google account credentials if you're not already logged in. Make sure you select the Google account associated with your Trello account. Once you've selected your account, you'll be guided back to Trello, where you should see your dashboard filled with all your boards. Now find the project you'd like to integrate with Slack. Click on it to open up that specific project. Once inside your project, direct your attention to the board's menu. Look for the Power Ups button, which is symbolized by a sleek rocket icon. Clicking this allows you to customize your Trello board with additional features and integrations. Now in the Power Ups section, find and click on Add Power Ups. It will present you with a wealth of options to enhance your Trello experience. Once you've clicked it, a search bar will appear where you can type Slack to search for the Slack integration specifically. It's an efficient way to filter through the multitude of options and find exactly what you need. Click on the Slack Power Up when it appears in the list of search results. It will provide an overview of what the integration does and how it can streamline communication directly within your Trello boards. After reviewing the details when you're ready to proceed, simply click on the Add button to initiate the integration. By doing this, you connect your Trello board with Slack, allowing you to receive notifications about Trello activities straight in your Slack channels. This functionality is invaluable for keeping team members updated on project progress without needing to juggle between applications. And there you have it. Trello and Slack, both connected effortlessly. This integration will make managing tasks and facilitating team communication much smoother as you coordinate with colleagues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this connection between Trello and Slack as beneficial to your workspace as many others have.